Welcome back to the Windows Club. Is your Windows desktop filled with icons, random files, screenshots, and shortcuts? At first, it may not seem like a problem, but over time, finding what you need becomes frustrating and your desktop starts looking more like a storage folder than a workspace. In this video, I will show you some simple ways to declutter and organize your Windows desktop. Let's get started. Use Windows folders. The first step is to stop using your desktop as your main storage location. Windows already provides dedicated folders like documents, pictures, videos, downloads, and music for organizing your files. Instead of saving everything directly on the desktop, move those files into the appropriate folders. Simply open File Explorer, go to folder you want, right-click, select New, then Folder, give it a name, and start organizing your files. Doing this keeps your desktop clean while making files much easier to locate. Audit your desktop. Now take a quick look at everything currently sitting on your desktop. Delete all program icons and files you do not need or else move them to the appropriate folder. Add the Move To option to your context menu to make things faster. You may manually tweak the registry to add Move To or use our ultimate Windows tweaker. Open the registry editor by pressing Windows plus R, typing regedit and pressing enter. Navigate to hkey_classes_root/all file system objects/shell-ex/context menu handlers. Right-click context menu handlers, select New, then Key, and name it Move To. Now double-click the default value and enter the following GUID. Click OK, close the registry editor and restart your PC. The Move To option should now appear in your File Explorer right-click context menu, allowing you to move files directly without using cut and paste. You may also delete unwanted icons from the taskbar. Pin apps instead of keeping desktop shortcuts. Many desktop icons are simply application shortcuts. Instead of filling your desktop with them, pin your frequently used apps to the taskbar or start menu. This keeps your favorite apps just one click away while giving your desktop a much cleaner appearance. Use OneDrive Cloud Storage. You can also use OneDrive to keep your desktop clean by automatically syncing your files. Open File Explorer and click OneDrive in the left pane. If you haven't signed in yet, sign in with your Microsoft account. Now move your desktop files into the OneDrive folder or go to the OneDrive settings from the taskbar. Then click on Sync and Backup, then Manage Backup and turn on Desktop Backup. Your files will be safely stored in the cloud while remaining accessible from your PC, helping keep your desktop organized. Hide desktop icons. If you want an instant, clean desktop without moving anything, Windows lets you temporarily hide every desktop icon. Simply right-click anywhere on the desktop, go to View, then uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Whenever you need your icons again, repeat the same steps and enable the option. Use Desktop Organizer software. You can also make use of these free Desktop Organizer software. A program like Iconoid helps you better manage your Windows desktop icons. Here are a few additional tips. Use a simple minimal wallpaper, remove necessary shortcuts from the desktop, pin frequently used apps to the taskbar instead of keeping them on the desktop, customize taskbar settings, center icons, hide the search box if not needed, and so on. Turn off unnecessary system tray icons, keep widgets minimal or disable them if unused. And that's how you can make your Windows 11 desktop look clean and organized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Windows Club and let us know in the comments which tip made the biggest difference for you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.